Number 1.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $8,900. It has been driven 51,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. It runs on a reliable gasoline-powered 6-cylinder engine paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox. The truck features a striking red exterior complemented by a clean gray interior. As a regular cab model, it comes with a distinctive stepside bed fitted with a black tonneau cover, adding both style and practicality for cargo protection. The exterior is enhanced with chrome bumpers, alloy wheels, and a bug deflector mounted on the hood, giving the truck a classic yet rugged appearance. Additional functional features include a rear sliding window, which improves ventilation and convenience inside the cabin.
Number 2.
1992 Dodge D150, price $10,000, showing 94,000 miles on the odometer and equipped with an automatic transmission for comfortable everyday driving. It features a distinctive purple exterior that stands out on the road, complemented by a clean gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine.
In addition to its solid performance, the vehicle has undergone a wide range of recent upgrades.
It now rides on new wheels and tires, contributing to improved handling and road presence. The fuel system has been thoroughly refreshed with new fuel lines, a new fuel pump, and a new fuel regulator, ensuring reliable fuel delivery and smoother engine performance. The braking system has also been completely updated with new rotors, pads, drums, and brake lines. Furthermore, the suspension system has been enhanced with new shocks and rear springs, helping deliver a more stable and comfortable ride. Any previous rust issues have been carefully addressed, with damaged sections replaced using new body panels. Inside, the cabin has been refreshed with a new carpet and seat cover, creating a cleaner and more pleasant interior environment.
Number 3.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000, having been driven 147,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with a 4WD system. The truck comes in a green exterior with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. As an extended cab model, it offers additional space, while practical features such as air conditioning, manual windows, and door locks keep it straightforward and functional. The vehicle includes a tonneau cover, trailer hitch, and brake controller, adding to its utility. The truck has recently received maintenance updates, including alignment, new Bilstein shocks, brakes, and exhaust, contributing to its excellent driving, shifting.
It also comes with 2 sets of wheels and tires, original wheels fitted with well-maintained Goodyear tires, and newer takeoff at 4 GMC wheels with Goodyear tires in excellent condition. The frame is reported to be in excellent shape, although both doors show some rust, and the left front ABS sensor requires replacement. Number 4.
1996 Ford Ranger, price $6,995, as a well-maintained extended cab short bed pickup with only 102,000 original miles. It features a 4.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has a white exterior complemented by a blue cloth interior, offering a clean and classic look. The vehicle comes equipped with a range of convenient features, including power steering, power brakes, cold air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, tilt steering, cruise control, and power mirrors, all contributing to a comfortable driving experience. It also includes factory gauges, an AM/FM stereo radio with a cassette player, and both driver and passenger airbags for added safety. Additional highlights include a rear sliding window, bed liner, alloy wheels, and BF Goodrich radial tires that are in like-new condition. This Ranger also benefits from recent maintenance, such as new spark plugs, wires, coil, and battery, along with a fresh oil change, ensuring it runs smoothly. The truck is noted to have no rust underneath and is described as running great overall.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. That has accumulated 177,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior that still presents well, complemented by a comfortable gray interior that offers a classic and practical cabin feel. Powered by a gasoline engine, one of the highlights of this truck is its professionally installed Vortec drivetrain, paired with a strong and dependable 5.7L V8 engine that delivers solid performance and durability. This setup makes the vehicle suitable not only for daily driving but also for heavier tasks such as hauling or light-duty work. The truck has also been updated with newer tires and brakes, contributing to improved safety, better handling, and a smoother driving experience on the road. Overall, the vehicle runs and drives great, showing that it has been properly cared for and maintained over time. In addition, it comes with a clean title, providing reassurance and confidence for the next owner.
Number 6.
2000 Chevrolet S10, price $6,800. It has been driven 116,000 miles and is equipped with a 2.2-liter gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The exterior comes in gold with a gray interior, both of which are well maintained, with the interior noted to be in very good condition. The vehicle features a Stage 3 clutch and offers both cold air conditioning and reliable heating. Additionally, the truck is fitted with an upgraded audio system, including a single 8-inch kicker comp subwoofer positioned behind the passenger seat and new kicker speakers installed in the doors and dashboard. Practical enhancements include a bed liner and a lockable bed cover with keys, adding durability and security for cargo use. Overall, this S10 combines dependable performance with useful upgrades and comfort features.
Number 7.
1993 GMC 1500, price $3,950, with 228,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It features a silver exterior paired with a black interior, reflecting a classic and durable design. In addition to regular maintenance, the owner has upgraded the truck with new vinyl seat coverings and a fresh set of tires, enhancing both comfort and usability. Over the past year, the vehicle has received several oil changes and a new battery, ensuring reliable performance. It has also been fitted with a RetroSound Santa Cruz head unit equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free calling, and a USB-C charging port, along with upgraded dash and rear pillar speakers, providing a modernized audio experience. Overall, the truck combines its original rugged character with practical updates that improve convenience and driving enjoyment.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. That has been driven for 86,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a gray interior, running on a gasoline engine. As a 2WD vehicle equipped with a 350 engine and a 4L80E transmission, it delivers reliable performance suitable for both work and daily use. The truck has received several recent updates, including a new AC compressor, a 1-year-old battery, and new 10-ply tires, enhancing its overall dependability. It also comes with practical additions such as a ladder rack and a toolbox. While the toolbox is lockable, its struts need replacement. Notably, the truck is free of rust, and although the paint shows typical wear for its age, it remains in acceptable condition. Overall, its key features, including low mileage for its year, solid mechanical components, useful accessories, and good structural condition, make it a functional and dependable vehicle.
Number 9.
1993 Dodge Dakota, price $4,000, that has been driven for 119,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in gray on the exterior and interior, it runs on gasoline and features a capable 3.9L V6 engine paired with a functional 4x4 system that performs well in various driving conditions.
The vehicle also offers convenient power windows and electric door locks, enhancing everyday usability.
The air conditioning system is in excellent condition, blowing ice-cold air, which adds to overall comfort. Recent maintenance includes the installation of new front brake pads and calipers, along with a new alternator installed last year, contributing to its dependable performance. While the truck runs well, it does have minor issues, including a non-functioning fuel gauge and stereo.
Overall, this double-cabin pickup presents a strong combination of utility, comfort, and durability. Number 10.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, with approximately 120,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and features a capable 4x4 system. It comes equipped with power windows and electric door locks, and is mostly stock with a 5.7L 350 V8 setup that offers strong performance. Recent maintenance includes new front brake pads, calipers, and a newer alternator, helping ensure reliability. The rear end has been upgraded from a 10-bolt to a heavy-duty 14-bolt with 6 lug wheels, improving durability. The interior remains clean, with tinted windows and a bed topper included, along with a thrush rattler muffler that gives a deeper exhaust tone. While overall in good condition, minor issues include a non-functioning fuel gauge, an intermittent stereo, and an AC system that may need recharging, although the heater works fine.